Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, the US markets ended mixed. Dow was down, but Nasdaq and S&P 500 were higher. S&P 500, which is a broader index, average of 500 stocks. Since the Trump won for the last 3 months, it has been consolidating in a range 5,800 to 6,150. So this is the range. But in this range, the market has moved 3 or 4 times up, down, and everything. Last time also it was trading around 6,150. Suddenly this Trump tariff came. In just one day, it fell 200 points. During the market hours, fell 100 point. Then after the market hours, that was a Saturday, Sunday, Monday early morning, it fell another 100 point. So that's a kind of violent move US markets going through. But then, these Trump announcements, erratic announcements, will always make markets very, very jittery. So that is about the US markets. Asian markets are also mixed. GIF Nifty is indicating a slightly higher opening. But today, nothing is important. So the most important thing is only the RBI policy. So yesterday, after the market hours, some stocks like Bharti Airtel, ITC, they all came out with results. Hero Motocorp. Results seems to be better only, but we do not know the positioning of these stocks in the futures and options segment. So all those stocks that came out with results yesterday, after market hours, will be reacting to the results today. And plus the first 1 hour will be very, very volatile. FIA continue to sell, so that's a problem. But at the same time, domestic institutions are equally buying, and then global markets are good. Right now, the US futures are higher only. So we need to see the first RBI policy with the new governor. So what is in store? What is in store? So what is going to deliver? So that will decide the direction of the market. Because the markets have fallen for the last 2 trading sessions, so if there is something good in RBI policy, markets can equally recover. That is about 23,800 plus. 2 days before, Nifty crossed 23,800, I think 23,830, something like that. Then from there only the selling came. Our market moving 200 point, 300 point, it has become a normal. Those days, few years before, market making 300 point happens only in 1 month. But nowadays it happens in 1 day. So this is the new normal for our market. Usually our markets are not that volatile, but nowadays markets, just look at last 15 days. Market went to 23,000, was broken 2 times. Third time it broke, went to 22,800. From 22,800, 2 days before it went up to 23,800, which is 1,000 point. Yeah, 1,000 point fall, 1,000 point rally in a span of 1 month has become very, very normal. So we have to live with this only. So soon I will be planning a webinar with a leading media in India. So how to handle this volatility. So wait for the official announcements. So there is nothing much to talk. The same thing, 23,000 to 24,000 is the range for Nifty for this month. And, RBI policy will take the market to the upper end of the trading band or lower end of the trading band, depending upon the outcome of the RBI policy. So globally, markets are looking good. So yesterday also I told you, European markets hit all-time high. So if RBI choose to come out with some very good measures, then if they also assure that as and when there is a problem in future, we will be there to help the markets. So the government also do something. So, we can hopefully at least cross 24,000 in the February series. So that is the hope now. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.